It's beer o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. Today we got a can of Brew York Craft Brewery and Errant Brewery. It's a collaboration and it's a can of their Parrot Tropical IPA coming in at 6.5% ABV. This sounds absolutely fantastic. There's a combination of juicy citra, mosaic, and it's a taste of the Caribbean. Sounds good. Let's get it out into a glass and see what we get. This will be my first beer, not from Brew York. I've had quite a few of their beers, but most definitely from Errant Brewery. So, good levels of carbonation rolling up the glass. As you see, it's got a 3-finger. It's ever so slightly off white. Not much. I mean, from the camera it's probably looking white, yeah? Slightly off white, hazy, good carbonation, amber in colour. Looks really good. Let's get the aroma. I'm a big fan of the Brew York beers. Produce some really good stuff. And their cans are striking on the shelf. I've seen internet images of like northern bottle shops with the range of cans, the Brew York cans, and they just look, boom, they look striking. That smells lovely. Really nice. Tropical fruit, pineapple, grapefruit, lime, passion fruit, mango. Oh, that smells stunning. Absolutely stunning. Salivating. Let's dive in. Cheers, everybody. I nearly said stone the crows on the aroma alone. Ah. Yeah, that's something else. I like that. I like that a lot. Stone the crows! Stone the crows, what a cracking beer. White grape, green apple. A little bit similar to the Expander Session IPA they brewed. But this time, it's a lot more, the flavour is a lot more pronounced. I give the Expander an 8 out of 10. Have a look at the review. Have a look in the Google or the YouTube search. I'll put in Brew York Expander Session IPA. Have a look at my review of that. It was 4.5% ABV. This is another level. This is really getting me excited. Even as I'm talking now, there's a candied sugar flavour on the back of the palate. It's coming from the mixture of the hops and the malt combined, and I just like that. There's so many different flavours that you pull from hops, malt and yeast. It's absolutely incredible. It's definitely got a definite candied sugar taste with that red, green apple, should I say, white grape. Then the tropical fruit, passion flavours come through. Passion fruit, mango, pineapple, grapefruit, lime, lemon, fleshy blood orange. It's got the lot. This beer's got the lot. It really has got so much flavour. Biscuit malt to begin with. A little bit of balance. Yeah, it's a tremendous beer. Stone the crows. I like the can. I like the fun. It's got a fun design. It's got some nice. I used to wear shirts like that back in the day. It's a bit like something James May would wear on the Grand Tour. Beautiful, lovely, lovely, hazy looking beer, lots of flavour. And wow, adding that little bit of beer at the end has made it even better. everything I mentioned earlier, the ramped up passion fruit flavours, the tropical fruit flavours, just gone up a level again by adding that last bit of unfiltered goodness to the beer. Great. So, who are Errant Brewery? Sorry for being a little bit ignorant here. I don't really, as you guys know, Google stuff up and go on Untapped, and I like to give you a fresh review of something that is just as new to me as it is new to you. So that's the reason why we do that. But I'm just wondering if they've mentioned it. Not really. They've not really mentioned Errant Brewery on the can at all. Yeah, they said it's a collaboration brew. They put their logo up there. But I don't know if it's a local brewery up north. I don't know if they're based in Birmingham or Wales or London. I don't know. Maybe it's just a couple of local breweries doing a collaboration together. Time for the rating. Beer looks great in the glass. That is a fantastic beer. One of the best IPAs that I've had from Brew York. This is as good as, I would say, and I've been thinking about the name throughout the whole review and I've forgotten it. That's it, the Imperial Tongue Cocoa Stout. I was so excited in that beer review. I really enjoyed the beer. That's another Brew York beer, by the way. That beer was fantastic. This beer, on the other scale, that was your stout. This is your IPA, is just as good. I'm going to rate it. Do you know what? For me, it's close to a 10 out of 10. It's really close. In fact, I'm thinking of a reason why I shouldn't give it a 10 out of 10. And off the top of my head, all that white grape and green apple and tropical fruit flavours, biscuit malt, I can't think of a reason to give it a 9. So in that case, I'm thinking to myself, 10 out of 10. If there's no reason to if I can't find any faults in the beer and it's making me super excited, why would I give it a 9? 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 from Reload Craft Beer. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom! Cheers.